Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the bending test, 4 points bending test of an aluminium pipe reinforced with 4 CFRP layer. Here let me make this. This is the aluminium CFRP layer 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we use cohesive interaction between the CFRP layer and CFRP aluminium layer. And if I check the results here, see, this is the end of the simulation, and you can see the lamination happen between the layer. Let me make it feature edge to have a better view. See, the lamination happen between the layers also here. Let me check all the parts separately. First, the outer layer is CFRP4. This is the CFRP. Let me check the damage for it. This is the compression damage for the matrix, for the fiber, sorry, tension damage for the fiber. Also you can see the failure happen. These elements are failed. See here, you can see these elements are removed from the model. Also here, let me make it exterior edge filled. Here, see, here and here we have full failure of the CFRP layer, outer layer. Then the compression for the matrix and tension for the matrix. Now let me CFRP3, CFRP2 and CFRP1 for instance here. Or we can check other damage types here for the layers. You can see here. And now let me check the displacement here. Now let me check the aluminium. This is the aluminium pipe under the bending test. We use shear, ductile and MSFLD damage for the model. Here it is the shear damage. Then we have ductile damage. And other damage criterion, stress, plastic strain, or anything else. You can see here. See, this is the tension damage also for the compression damage or any other damage types. Also we can request the force displacement, name is RF here, or we can check it for this and this. Here this is the first diagram, the second here use average, name is U, okay, and then use upright, combine negative U, RF and plot. And this is the force displacement diagram for the bending test. The maximum is 0.12 meganewton, around that, and then we have decrease in capacity, and if we keep the displacement we will get 0 for the value, and that means full failure of the model. Okay, so if you want to model bending test of aluminium reinforced with CFRP, also considering the cohesive interaction between all the layers, you can use this tutorial. So to provide this tutorial, come to our website here, abaqusfem.com. Find the English tutorial or search the title in the search section of the website. Then you will find it. Click on this. Here you will have the geometry and assembly, then the material step interaction load, and then the result as figures. So you can provide CAE INP English video and reference paper for the material just for 26 euros. You can use a PayPal, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. So here we have also another thing, and that's the full package. Contains around or more than 400 tutorials, and it covers everything in Abaqus. Anything that you need, you can learn everything from this, and you will be master after watching all the tutorial and run them. See here, these are the main title, and we have many subtitles in these main titles. You can read the main titles here. This is the best package in the net about the contents and the price. So it is so affordable for all peoples, and you can provide also this full package easily. Just contact me to this email to tell you about the purchasing process and the cost, and thank you for now.